Today we will look at the conditional statement or the if statement in data analytics. So the conditional statement helps us to make decisions. It checks if a condition is true or false. If the condition is true, it will display a particular value, else it will display the other value. All right, so like in our data set here, we can use it to check if a condition is true. We can use it to categorize our data, or we can use it to make decisions on them based on the conditions. For instance, this data here, or the total amount, we can check if the total amount for this cell is more than 500. If it's more than 500, we can display something. If it's greater than 500, we'll display something. If it's less than 500, we can display another thing. Or we can say we'll use it to check if it's up to 1000. If it's greater or equal to 1000, it will display something. If it is less than 1000, it will display something. Probably if we want to check how many cells are up to 1000, maybe on a good day, if we have up to 1000, we can say, okay, we made good cells, or it passed. All right. And if our cells is less than 1000, we say it is below our expectation. So whatever it is, the condition we placed on it that we want to decide, it helps us to make decisions, all right, using a particular standard. So let's see how the conditional statement works. All right, it works like this. If, then followed by the cell is maybe greater than or equal to, you can also say less than or equal to a particular value, comma, then if this condition is true, it will display this, else it will display this. So like here we have pass. Then if this cell is greater or equal to 50, it will display pass. All right, else it will display fail. All right, so that's how the conditional statement works. So we're going to see more applications of it, real life applications of it, as we continue. So for instance, here that we have a total amount sold is 600. All right, so if 1000 is the standard, all right, we can now say, and here is G7, all right, G7. All right, we can now say if G7 no G8, if G8 is greater or equal to 1000, all right, if it's greater or equal to 1000, it will display pass, or whatever you want it to display. Maybe the cell today was good, or maybe good cell, good cells, all right, or good, to display good, all right, else it will display bad. All right, so so in this situation, it is not greater than 1000. I wanted to say 1000. All right. So in this situation, 600 is not greater or equal to 1000. So what do we expect? When you press enter, it will display bad. All right. So if it's in a situation where, let's say, it's 600 and maybe our standard is 500, all right, and we have good, and then we have bad. So in this situation, we are expecting 600 is greater or equal to 500. So we can see it says good. So this is a basic example of conditional statement or the if statement. It helps us to make decision. All right. So you use the if condition to check if the value meets the standard, and if it meets the standard, it will display a certain information, else it will display the other information. Thank you.